Maddie from Madalynne Intimates here. If you're unfamiliar with Madalynne Intimates, we are a Philadelphia-based lingerie company offering lingerie sewing patterns, DIY lingerie kits, bra making workshops, online tutorials, as well as ready-made lingerie. Basically, lingerie that you can buy ready-made or sew yourself. So if you have a sister who loves your made lingerie, but you don't want to make it for her, I don't blame you. We have a team of sewers who hand make every order based on measurements. In this video series, I'm going to be showing you how to make the S9729. View A is a long slip, View B is a short slip, and View C is a hat slip. What I love most about this pattern is its versatility. You can wear it as nightwear if you want to, or you can wear it as outerwear. Throw a jacket over and call it an outfit. Hashtag OOTD. In this video series, I'll be going over just sewing. If you need help with pattern alterations, corrections, fitting, I suggest checking out one of Madalynne's online virtual classes, www.madalynne.thinkific.com. Now, roadmap for this video series, I like to know what I'm getting myself into before I actually get into it. In this video, I'm going to be showing you what you should have cut out for each view. I want you to cut everything out, and then in the next video, we will start sewing. For view A, you want to have pattern piece number 1, bodice front, pattern piece number 2, bodice back, pattern piece number 3, guide for trim, pattern piece number 4, guide for trim, pattern piece number 5, guess what? Guide for trim, pattern piece number 6, skirt front, pattern piece number 7, skirt back, and pattern piece number 8, straps. For view B, you want to have pattern piece number 1, bodice front, pattern piece number 2, bodice back, pattern piece number 3, 4, 5, all of which are guides for trim, pattern piece number 9, which is skirt front, pattern piece number 10, which is skirt back, and pattern piece number 8, which is straps. You will probably notice that view A and view B, pattern pieces number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 8 are all the same. The only thing that's different are the skirt patterns, 9 and 10. So if you want to make view A and view B together, you can cut out 2 sets of pattern pieces number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 8. For view C, you want to have pattern piece number 12, guide for trim, pattern piece number 13, front and back skirt, pattern piece number 14, guide for trim, pattern piece number 15, casing, and pattern piece number 16, which is the guide for elastic. One note about the shoulder straps on the slip. They can be made with self fabric, and that's how the pattern is cut out. You cut out the straps from the main fabric. Personally, I hate dealing with those little fiddly things and folding things 1/4 and 1/8 of an inch. So I'm going to recommend or suggest or just give you as an option an alternative, which would be to use fold over elastic and rings and sliders. We do this to make it a little bit easier, and I have an example of it. So this slip, we use a wide fold over elastic as the straps. It is much easier to sew. We also added rings and sliders for adjustability so that you can make it shorter or longer. So if you want to do this, I will be demonstrating it in this video series. Get some fold over elastic. We put rubber elastic inside and some rings and